Hi everyone, here's Vaneet Kumar, BM English SST Malout. I am here to tell about a wonderful app, ReadToMe, introduced by government for the students and teachers. There are so many contents, right pronunciation, meanings, and question answers for the students. They are helpful to students to read itself and get a wonderful success in the exam. It also a wonderful way to help the teachers to make their student pronunciation right. And in the last, I must say that ReadToMe app, Students Edition, Teacher Dashboard, and School Edition must be great work. I thankful this app to government. Thank you. Thanks a lot.